Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin D2 Bravo Titanium and I'm gonna show you how to download or install applications on this watch. Before we start, to download and install applications, or if you want to download and install applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we can tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices. Here you should see the Bravo Titanium on the list of devices. Tap on it to enter the device page. And here, tap on Activities and App Management. No, it doesn't want to enter because the watch didn't connect to the phone yet. Sometimes it takes a little bit for it to connect, but now we can enter. Here we can tap on Activities and Apps. And here, as you can see, we have the list of apps installed on our watch. Now we can tap on Get More Applications. It will open the Connect IQ store for the specific watch, as you can see, Bravo Titanium 2. Now we can scroll through the list of apps, find the app we want to install. Once you find it, you can tap on it to select it. I selected the not publisher, but developer, not the app. But once you select the app, you can tap on Download. And here you see the message that basically after you sync your watch with your phone, it will install the app. So basically what you need to do is go back to the Garmin Connect app, to the device page basically. Oh, the app already appeared here, but if it doesn't, you need to go back to the device page. Come on, go back. And here you need to tap on Sync Now, and you need to wait until it's done syncing with your phone. And once it's done, the app should be installed automatically. So once it's done syncing, you can go to here, Activities and Apps, and you will see that the app appeared on the menu right here, and it is installed. And on your watch, you can press the Start button to open the list of favorites and apps. And here you can scroll down, and you should see your app that you installed, and you can press Start button to open it. Okay. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.